Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your friend Chief is here to share more about English literature. Today we shall discuss about short story, A Short Story a Day by William Trevor, 1928 to 216. Let's start our video from the set slides. William Trevor introduction. William Trevor, KBE, 24 March 1928 and 20th November 2016 was an Irish novelist, playwright and short story writer. One of the elder statesmen of the Irish literary world, and he was widely regarded as one of the greatest contemporary writers of short story in English language. Works written 11 were a standard extra film story credits full of fortune, profession, writer, sculptor, nationality Irish. Trevor's short story A Day is like much of his work steeped in sadness. People are trapped by circumstances, tortured by a secret, and left to somehow find a way to get by. The story tells of the middle-aged woman who knows her husband as a mistress, number 22-216. It is a thought-provoking story that throws light on the nature and psychology of human being. Mr. Mrs. Litwis and Elspeth, an orchestra singer amid Marita, are character. Mrs. Litwis absorbing thoughts and imagines that relationship the orchestra singer and her husband about their lives and babies. Mrs. Litwis, the hard-working and soft-spoken fellow. Mrs. Litwis avoids talkative people and absorbs in different thoughts. Maid Marita is a very talkative, therefore is avoided by Mrs. Litwis. An orchestra singer, Alps, is a very beautiful girl and her husband's mistress. Themes: nature and psychology of humanity, emotional problems, love and cares, imagination, desire and dreams, complexity of conjugal life, foils and target of circumstances, etc. Thanks to watch the video. Subscribe my channel to get more about English literature around the world.